Hello again, everyone. You may remember, some of you who subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all those who do, that I was showing some things that I found in a drawer that I've had for years, and I really should try and get rid of some of this stuff. Anyway, it started me looking, and I came across this, which is, I don't know when I bought this, but I've had it ages. It's a wax seal kit. And these are kind of like candles. They've got a wick inside, so you don't have to melt a stick of wax with a flame. You just light the candle. But I don't propose to use the wax today. I saw on YouTube somebody was making seals with hot glue. Well, I've got a hot glue gun. I haven't used it for very much, and I thought I'd have a go. So I started to try and make some of these seals like I saw on YouTube. But I found that I was using a paper or card, whatever, as a base for the seal. But then I couldn't get it off the work surface. And I found difficulty in getting the seal off the actual stamping. So I grabbed some hand sanitizer. Don't know why. Put a little bit on my desk, and I used that as a kind of base to put the piece of card onto, so that hopefully the card won't stick to the surface. One thing I discovered in these videos is that the stamp that you use for the seal is supposed to be cold. So I've got a little tub of ice here, and I've got all the heads of the stamps in there, and I'm going to propose to do that. I'm going to put a bit of this gel onto the stamp as well. Okay, here's my hot glue gun. I'm going to press and put some onto the piece of card. I did buy myself a hot glue accessory kit because I'm a bit scared of touching hot glue. You know what it's like, you can get a nasty burn. You have to be really careful. And this stand is not the right stand for my glue gun, which is a bit of a shame. So I'm hoping it's going to stay still. Right, I've got some antibacterial gel on there. Let's push it onto here. I cut out these circles with a 3/4 inch Stampin' Up punch, or Stampin' Up 3/4 inch punch, should I say, which is, they're just marginally larger than, well, they're very close actually to the size of the head of my stamps. So we will see. Now, with that gel, my card has come off the surface perfectly. And it's come off the stamp perfectly too. Now you can see the green through, and all I propose to do, in fact, is to use a bit of my famous, you can probably see I've had a go before, not glazing, yes. Do I mean that? No, gilding wax. And just highlight the edge of the seal. And I also want to try and highlight the relief of the centre of the design. In this case, it's a snowflake. So I'm just going to gently rub over the snowflake. There. Now, I do have a gold pen, which I thought I would try as well. So let's do another one of these, chaps. I'll try a different one of those. I'll try a cold one. Put that, a little bit of hand sanitizer on the mat first. Right, pick up a cold. She's got a circle of holly. Just a tiny bit of hand sanitizer on there. Right, our glue. I just don't want you to touch the the hot glue because it could be nasty. Right, now I'm going to, did I do that? Can't remember, I have now. Right, here we go. Just gently press down. Now, what I wanted to try also was this. It's an Edding 750 paint mark. It's a brand new one. I did have some before, but they kind of got used up. I had a silver one and a gold one, but I don't somehow tend to use silver as much for embellishments as I do gold. So I imagine this will need charging now, so I need to keep pressing until these bases are a bit of a jelly plate. Here you can see chopped it out of a piece of jelly plate printing. Try and get the gold into this. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Take a while to come down, I guess. It's like it's there, starting to come. Okay, right, now let's try this. Came off the mat, no trouble. Stamp came off, no trouble. Now I'm just going to try. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Look at that. And what I envisage using these for is not, in fact, to put on an envelope as you would. I mean, the original reason for sealing wax was sealing up letters, but let me just gently go over as an embellishment on a card. I have a fancy for like a little square something or other. There we go. It's pretty, isn't it? Perhaps a holly leaf or something, and that would go as an embellishment in the corner. So this is kind of short and sweet, really. I'm going to try a few more, see how I get on. But the thing that I found was a huge improvement is to use a little bit of hand sanitizer, underneath whatever it is you're doing, and B, on the actual stamp itself. It just releases like a dream, totally. So I'm going to try a few more things, not just using card behind, but maybe putting some sequins, or I saw online that people had pressed wildflowers, so you could probably put some little die cuts or something like that behind. So there you go, another one of my forays into the world of something new. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll have a go if you've got some things in the back of your cupboard that you haven't used for a very long time. Thank you for watching.